First, let us ask, what is ulcer?
Also means a wound or a sore area. It may happen internally or externally. Externally means that it happens in the skin, like diabetic ulcers.
Oh, so ulcer can also happen on the skin.
But the most common is the internal ulcers, exemplified by peptic ulcer and gastric ulcer.
So internal ulcer happens in the stomach. What causes ulcer and what are the symptoms?
That gastric acid, kasi it's primarily hydrochloric acid, nabibuild sa stomach, and it will create a wound. Okay, now ano mga symptoms niya? What are the symptoms? Number one is epigastric pain. When you say epigastric pain, it's the area, a hollow area below the breastbone. Second would be nausea or even vomiting. Okay. Sometimes when you vomit, the vomit consists of bitter taste.
How serious is an ulcer and what is the treatment?
And another complication would be bleeding. Sometimes it demands surgery na to suture the wound inside. Okay. For treatment, what you give? Antacids usually. Antacids. Okay. Antibiotics kasi peptic ulcer is sometimes caused by bacteria. H. pylori ang pangalan ng Helicobacter pylori. That's the usual bacteria seen in peptic ulcers. Now, when there is bacterial infection, you have to give antibiotics. Okay.